Dog. The dog is a pet animal. It is a four-footed animal. It has two bright eyes. It has two ears, sharp teeth, and a small tail. Dogs are of many kinds. Some dogs have fur on their bodies. The dogs are of different colors. They are of different sizes. The dog is a very useful and a faithful animal. The dog can swim in the water. It is found everywhere in the world. It loves its master very much. It guards the house from thieves with care. The policemen use dogs in tracing out thieves and criminals. Thank you.